haven't announced this on a video yet, but we got you guys lanyards with bottle openers attached for the boys for Saturdays. I don't know if we have many of these left. I haven't said them on a video yet, but go to 53 Supply and make sure you have a few. As soon as we sell out of these, I'm gonna buy a big turbo for the 1JZ. Today it's time to remove, I had to buy a new one because we lost the other one. Today it's time to remove the body kit, finish it up proper. First I gotta go to the store, I get some good stuff, that's it. Yep, can't forget. Nope, no, I don't need to be hydrated. That's what I need, yep. I wish camera could show it. This car is so loud. The other day, I was with Victoria. We're watching like throwback videos. Throwback as in like California. We're watching some California vlogs. As much as I don't like those videos because it was so forced because I didn't know what to do out there, I really miss the vlogging aspect of it. I miss just filming my life every day, no matter what it is, and trying to make something of it. Also, did you guys see that massive flame I shot yesterday? I shot a massive flame for the live stream and it was sick, so I'm gonna try and make this thing shoot some flames again here soon. Today, I'm on a quest to find a 9... Okay, I'm not... Hello? Okay, we're chill. On a quest to find a 9.5mm drill bit. You'll see why. Oh, and by the way, I just want to clarify, the only reason I put this wheel back on is because it has horns. The other one, I'm waiting for a horn and then I'll put it back on. Haven't said it in so long. Oh, Ding Squad, baby. Can it be 3/8 or 9.5mm? Might be what I'm looking for. I did the math on it and it actually is correct. I just want to make sure that what they're saying is actually true. So we're good. Damn, this car looks so big. This thing is really fast, and I want to race it. Not like competitively, but I think it'd be really... It smells like race car smells. But I think it'd be really fun. I have a friend with a 5.0, a new 5.0 Mustang, and then I also have another guy I know that's got like a cammed Camaro SS. And so I think it'd be fun to kind of benchmark this car and see where it's at. I just want to have fun. Huge shouts to Dress Up Bolts for providing the hardware for my body kit. I'm really excited for this. I wanted to do the body kit the cleanest way possible. And so I've got some really cool hardware in here that I'm excited to open up, but it's taped. It has more security than a Federal Reserve building. So give me a sec. I'm gonna be right back. Oh no, man. Norcut told yourself, don't do that. It's a bad idea. Knives are dangerous. Oh my god, you're gonna kill yourself. Yeah. These guys sent me... Oh. This is the shirt. That's not what I'm installing, but this is still cool. It's really soft. These guys sent me hardware for my engine on the 1JZ. They have a bunch of different diverse things, so if you want any sort of colored hardware, if you want to shop with Dress Up Bolts, I've got a discount code for you. Oh, baby, hold up a second. Oh, look what they sent me, dog. Oh, that is lit. I am gonna keep this. This is so tight. This is to measure hardware, measure holes and stuff like that for hardware. That's tight. That is money. I wanted to do something super clean with this. So I decided to get, I guess these are riv nuts, something like that. You press these in and you put button head screws in them to make these expand. I want to do a little test real quick. So here it is. It's supposed to be 9.5mm. Oh, there's the 3/8 hole. Money. All right, first things first, I need to get the body kit off. No, false. Actually, first things first, I've got to start drilling these big holes. That's first things first. Update number 1. So we've got Cleco pins, clean hardware. It looks really, really awesome. I have to say one thing, it's really sketch doing this on dip. It definitely should have been done before dipping it, because the dip, it's so thick. It would be the same thing doing this to a wrap. Drilling it into the wrap kind of messes with the stuff around it. So it's clean unless you look like millimeters away from where the bolts are. So just note to self, if you ever do this, if you ever plan on getting your car dipped and you have a wide body or anything like that, make sure you drill and get your hardware in, not just Cleco pins, but your correct hardware, and drill the correct holes out before you get it dipped. It's still going to turn out super clean, so I'm not worried about it. But I'm ready to do it. I'm seriously, I'm ready to get the whole thing done. This is looking really awesome. For some reason, that drill came out a lot cleaner. Not really sure what's different about this and this, but it's good. Let's go. So this is pretty much exactly what I thought would happen. I'm rubbing just a little bit on this fender right here. I wanted to keep this natural junction just for the structural integrity of the car, but I forget that I have freaking pins holding everything in there. I am gonna go ahead and cut some more metal out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut just enough to where I can get that from not rubbing, but also there's a little screw in there. You can see it right there. I'm gonna do it enough to where I don't actually cut that away, so I can still have that OEM bolt. My camera's now overheating, so I'm just gonna get to work and honestly put this thing in the refrigerator. I'm not even kidding. You're going straight in here, dog. All right, later, dude. I don't see any rubbing lines. I don't see any rubbing lines to the whole thing. And it's pretty clean. So I'm thinking that that little cut that I just did on the fender is what I actually needed to do. Wow. So the awesome news is the body kit looks incredible. I can't wait to get it cleaned up and see it in the light. Bad news is because these bolts, these little button head screws are so short, they don't fit all the way into this little riv nut thing in there, so I'm gonna need to ask them for longer ones. I'm proud. I'm like a dad right now. It's like my son has been trying so hard his whole life to be just a good looking fella and to fit in, and now he finally does. I'm so proud of him. Even when I wear glasses, I always get something in my eyes. God dang it. Ow! Couple things. First, I mentioned this at the beginning of the video. We've been out of stock. We were actually way out of stock. You guys obviously want me to, I filmed this on Friday, by the way. You guys obviously want me to do single turbo on this, so I am literally going to buy my turbo tonight. I'm gonna get my manifold made for it and get injectors and fuel pump and everything, and we are gonna get sendy with it. Because of you guys, we are now gonna be going single turbo. I'm having a little bit of, okay, that's definitely not passable. Having some issues here. I figured out a way to keep the body kit on, but for some reason on this side, I'm having a really hard time getting even like any of them to fit through. Like they're so short that this one doesn't even touch the well nut, is what it's called on the inside, by the way. This one doesn't touch the well nut, this one doesn't touch the well nut. I've got to, oh, my camera's dead, rip.
A few moments later.
What I'm having to do is I'm having to take the whole kit off. I'm having to put the well nut on as the kit is off. And I'm having to screw it onto the screws and then push the well nut in with the whole body kit. And that's gonna make it a little harder, but it's gonna work, so I'm just gonna take my time with it and do it the best way that I possibly can. Usually, I get kind of lazy with this kind of stuff and I use like an impact gun or something to automate it, like make the screwing automated. But I'm doing all this by hand because I want this to be super clean and just professional looking. It looks amazing so far. I can't wait to show you what it looks like outside the car, or outside the garage. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and keep working. And by the way, yes, we have put in another order to get more of these, so don't worry. And no, you can't have this one. It's mine. This one's mine. All right, I figured it out. Took about 20 minutes to torque everything down to where it needed to be. Got every single bolt, and there's not a single hole in there. Every single bolt, every well nut has something in it to keep the body kit on. I've only got 3 that don't match the rest, so I'm gonna wait for them to send me 3 little bit longer ones. I did figure out a way to get the other ones on. It was a little janky, a little finicky, but I figured it out. So for the first time ever, we've got a wide body on here without nasty pins sticking out. This is the most exciting thing. Oh, it's super dirty. I mean, there's fiberglass literally everywhere. I'm gonna be detailing the car next week, so not worried. Also, boom, y'all check this out, boys. I've heard a lot of people say that you guys want a sticker like this, a 5.3 supply sticker. You better believe it's about to happen. Bro, this kid literally just all day just goes around with this little thing. Hey, respect, bro. All right, y'all ready to see it? Damn, this booty's fresh, bro. There it is. So we've got that nice satin black hardware with nasty dirt, nastiness everywhere. And I'm telling you what, dude, it's so worth getting hardware that doesn't suck. So worth it. It makes it look so nice. It's literally so bright right now. It's terrible. I hate this lighting, but look at that. Baby, it's dirty and nasty and needs to be cleaned, but I love the black hardware, dude. Bro, it's so nice to see this little body kit not look like booty cheeks. Like nasty booty cheeks. Every day I just love this car even more. Like, this is probably the hardest work I've ever put into a car. It's just so fun. It's so awesome. Oh, looking to see how much this thing has transformed in the past 3 months. This thing was stock 3 months ago. Bone stock. And may I remind you, I've got wheels coming this week or next week. I don't know. Still waiting on those. I just look at it for a while, okay, boys? Just pause your brains and just enjoy it. Dog, there he goes again. Seriously? From the taillights to the body kit, even to the wheels. Like, these wheels do not look bad on this car at all. I love the front fenders. I love the exhaust. I love everything. I love the color. Big shouts to Dress Up Bolts. I was gonna wear their shirt, but I forgot, and it's also just hot. I don't want to show my titties because I'm fat. But big shouts to Dress Up Bolts. I do have a discount code for you guys in the description of this video. If you want to get any body kit bolts or steering wheel bolts or engine dress up bolts, they got tons of stuff on their site. This is the first video I'm going to be filming today. As I said, I wanted to do some racing. So my friend Austin and I with the 5.0 might be going out doing some racing tonight. You'll see. I love the way the body kit turned out. I'm so excited to see where this car is gonna go. I have so much to install. The reason I'm doing multiple videos a day right now is because I just have so much to do. I don't wanna be waiting a day after day after day and just have parts start stacking up in my garage, so I'm gonna try my best to just get as much done as possible every single day. Thank you so much for watching. I can't even talk right now. Peace out and be victorious.